Okay, great are you, Lord. Sons and Daughters, written by David Allen, Leonard, Leslie Ann Jordan, and Jason Ingram. And I'll play along with the song. It's pretty easy. And then I'll go over the chords after I play with the song. So it's D,
You give life,
A,
you are love, you bring light
E.
to the darkness, you give hope, you restore every heart that is broken. And great are you, Lord. It's your breath.
A, D, G flat.
So we pour out our praise. We pour out our praise. It's your breath.
A, D, G flat. A, D, E flat.
Praise to you only. You give life. You are love. You bring light to the darkness. You give hope. You restore every heart that is It's your breath in our lungs, so we pour out our praise. We pour out our praise. It's your breath in our lungs, so we pour out our praise to you only. It's your breath in our lungs, so we pour out our praise. We pour out our praise. It's your breath in our lungs, so we pour out our praise to you
So this is A chord.
All the earth will shout your praise.
To D chord
Hearts will
with the same bass A.
will sing.
Same chord D with the D. A,
Will shout your praise.
D with the A bass.
Cry these bones will
D with the D bass to the E. And that's basically the whole song. So it's your breath, and that's D in my lungs, and that is A chord with a G flat bass. So we pour out our praise, and that is an E, E chord. It's your breath in my lungs, so praise. And then that's A to D with the A bass. D, keep that D chord and hit that at E. And that's that whole song. Great are you, Lord.